Welcome to Angel Brainwaves. Get ready for an exciting quiz on famous inventions and their inventors. Answer the questions and count how many you get right. Let's begin. Question 1. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Alexander Graham Bell. D. Guglielmo Marconi. The correct answer is C. Alexander Graham Bell. Imagine a world without phones. Bell made the first telephone call in 1876, saying, "M.R. Watson, come here, I want to see you." His invention changed communication forever. Question 2. Who is credited with inventing the electric light bulb? A. Thomas Edison. B. Benjamin Franklin. C. James Watt. D. Henry Ford. The correct answer is A. Thomas Edison. Edison didn't just create the light bulb, he perfected it. His design made it last longer and be useful for homes, changing how the world stayed bright even after sunset. Question 3. Who developed the first successful airplane? A. Wright brothers. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Alexander Fleming. D. Henry Ford. The correct answer is A. The Wright brothers. Orville and Wilbur Wright built and flew the first powered airplane in 1903. Their flight lasted only 12 seconds, but it was enough to start the aviation industry we rely on today. Question 4. Who discovered penicillin, the first antibiotic? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Alexander Fleming. C. Jonas Salk. D. Albert Einstein. The correct answer is B. Alexander Fleming. In 1928, Fleming accidentally discovered penicillin when he noticed mold-killing bacteria. This invention has saved millions of lives and changed modern medicine forever. Question 5. Who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web? A. Tim Berners-Lee. B. Bill Gates. C. Steve Jobs. D. Alan Turing. The correct answer is A. Tim Berners-Lee. Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web in 1989, allowing people to access information across the world. Without him, we wouldn't have websites, online shopping, or even YouTube. Question 6. Who invented the first practical steam engine? A. James Watt. B. Isaac Newton. C. Thomas Edison. D. Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is A. James Watt. James Watt improved the steam engine in the 18th century, helping launch the Industrial Revolution. His innovation powered factories, trains, and ships, changing how we work and travel. Question 7. Who created the first automobile powered by an internal combustion engine? A. Henry Ford. B. Carl Benz. C. Ferdinand Porsche. D. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is B. Carl Benz. Benz's 1885 automobile paved the way for modern cars. His wife, Bertha Benz, even took the world's first long-distance road trip to prove the car's reliability. Question 8. Who invented the first radio transmission? A. Guglielmo Marconi. B. Nikola Tesla. C. Michael Faraday. D. Samuel Morse. The correct answer is A. Guglielmo Marconi. Marconi sent the first wireless radio signal across the Atlantic in 1901. His invention led to the development of radio, TV, and even mobile phones. Question 9. Who invented the first refrigerator? A. Willis Carrier. B. Albert Einstein. C. Carl von Linde. D. Robert Fulton. The correct answer is C. Carl von Linde. Carl von Linde's refrigerator design helped preserve food longer, making life easier and reducing food waste. Imagine life without refrigerators, no ice cream or cold drinks in the summer. Question 10. Who invented the first vaccine? A. Edward Jenner. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Jonas Salk. D. Marie Curie. The correct answer is A. Edward Jenner. Jenner developed the smallpox vaccine in 1796, leading to the complete eradication of the disease. This invention laid the foundation for modern vaccines, saving billions of lives. Great job! How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing quizzes. See you in the next video.